Hello friends, welcome back. Today in this video on automobile engineering, we are going to discuss functions of transmission systems for an automobile, clutches, again function of a gearbox and types of gearbox. Now here we will first see what is a transmission system, what is the function of the transmission system. So basically a transmission system is used to transmit engine output torque to the driving wheels, or it is also called as the drive wheels of the vehicle, and in turn it will transmit the power to the wheels. So this is the engine, this is the transmission, here is the clutch, the propeller shaft, it is also called as the drive shaft, U joints, the differential and the driving wheels or the rear wheels. Now what is a clutch? So a clutch, it is a mechanism to transmit rotary motion of one shaft to those other axis in coincidence with the first one. So it is basically what it transmits the motion from one shaft to other shaft. Now requirement of a clutch. So what are the requirements of the clutch? So torque transmission is the first requirement, gradual engagement, heat dissipation. When two shafts are engaged, there may be heat dissipation, dynamic balancing, vibration, damping, again size, inertia and pedal play. So we have in short discussed about the clutches. Now let us see the function of the gearbox. So the function of the gearbox is, so what is the first function of the gearbox? The torque ratio between engine and wheels to be varied in rapid acceleration and for the climbing gradients. So you know that the engine is always running at variable load and variable speed. So that power needs to be transmitted by varying the torque and acceleration with the help of the gearbox, also called as the transmission system. So the next function is it also provides the reverse motion of the vehicle. Transmission can be disconnected from the engine to neutral position using a gearbox. So if we want to disconnect the driving wheels with the engine, so that is also possible. So what is the necessity of the gearbox? Variation of resistance of vehicle motion at various speeds. Next, variation of tractive effort at various speeds. And what is power? Power is equal to the product of torque and speed. So if the engine speed varies, the torque, the power of the vehicle will vary. So what is the gearing ratio here? So number of teeth on driving wheel or driving gear upon the number of teeth on the driver gear or the driving wheel, driver wheel. So what are the types of transmission? That is the gearboxes: sliding mesh gearbox, constant mesh gearbox with a positive dog clutch, constant mesh gearbox with a synchro mesh device. Here you can see the sliding mesh gearbox. Now here you can clearly see this is the clutch shaft, the construction, this is the clutch shaft, this is the splined main shaft, and this is the counter shaft, and these are the gears. You can see the gears, all these gears are attached. So the name itself is telling you the sliding mesh. So you can see this on the spline shaft, this gears can move. Now here itself you can, in this diagram you can see the clutch attached to this shaft. This is the output shaft and this is the lay shaft here. Okay, so with the help of this dog gear or you can also call as the selector fork, you can clearly engage and disengage this gear. So this is the first gear, this is the second gear, this is the third gear, fourth gear, and the top gear, that is the fifth gear. So likewise, with the help of the selector arrangement or selector 4 arrangement, you can change the gearing. Thank you friends, thank you very much.